啱嘢嘅，你
Yeah.
fit 嚇？
我中意。
Yeah, it fit you.
Yeah. No, I took it.
咦，飲杯咖啡，你食咗飯未啊？
未有咁早食飯？
食咗早餐，
有早餐食咗麥皮。
食麥皮。我都飲一杯咖啡。
咩咖啡？食個時工。
切。
OK 啦，我邊睇嘢先點？
So 今日我哋轉乜嘢？
叫做羅漢齋。
羅漢齋。
哈。
This is like a Buddhist vegetarian food.
The monks eat 菜人豆。
That's why I want to eat more choy because the monks ate the choy, so that's it. 腐乳 too.
啊，一俾豬腐乳好味道。
好鹹。
講你聽啊。
Okay.
This is called
Seaweed.
唔係 seaweed.
Where is it? There's none in there.
Yeah, like this.
Yeah.
It's dry. I have to soak it out 2 hours.
Oh.
叫做乜嘢？白貝黑木耳，白貝黑木耳。老翻咧 dry 咩啊？我唔識呢個字。
Andrew?
我唔識呢啲啦。即係你有就俾，冇就唔使俾呀。OK。
Okay, so how long you soak it?
I soak it 2 hours. After this hit out 呢度呀，呢度呢啲唔愛嘅啫。and then 洗咗佢，then 用啲 cornstarch 又好，teaspoon 洗一洗佢。flour 我 cornstarch，驚佢乸渣就佢個絲嗰度嘅啫嘛。
Oh, so the flour or the cornstarch helps clean it up.
Clean it up, right? Make sure it's nice and clean 呢做嘢啊。
點知你？
點知你 ？Look, whatever. In here, it come out. You know, make sure it's nice and clean.
So you got a massage.
講
乜嘢？
嚇？有啲人咁樣整，有啲人咁樣整。
What do you mean?
They don't wash it. They just clean it and then cut it up a little bit.
你個方法好奇怪，so.
唔係奇怪，但係我哋 make sure 佢呢度呢啲嘢，佢喺個。
Okay.
You want to cut a small one or big one? It doesn't matter.
Small better.
Like this is okay.
Constantly. What's the dog saying? 翻譯。
嚇
？Light say what? Ruff, 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 ruff.
都點講乜鬼
1010 lucky 好彩，媽咪啊！真係好中意食菜，爸爸，因為健康啲。搞笑我中意食肉，我中意食好多麵包，好多Still like starchy stuff.
Chinese cabbage.
黃大菜
No.
This is Napa Cabbage.
Napa Cabbage.
叫做乜嘢？燒菜。
燒菜。
燒菜。
我呢個買咗2個禮拜㗎啦。
This is the long one. This is the big one.
They come in like this, but I cut it out, you know. I bought it two weeks ago.
I like this a lot.
Yeah.
This one comes out too, right?
Come Jai. And this one more sweeter. 切咗佢，soak it.
點解 soak？
Because 佢好落 soft 㗎嘛，好似 dead 咁樣啊！你頭先，呢個 live。
婆婆，我有一個問題。
咩
啊？你今年嘅目標係乜嘢？
冇目標。
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 你今年嘅目標係乜嘢？
目標係 healthy。
身體健康。
Right。
心想事成。What else you say？
身體健康嘅 main thing 得就。
切。
食得瞓得。
食得瞓得。
行得走得。
行得走得。Yeah。
That's it。
Yeah。Be grateful。我好感動，我有婆婆教我整啲中國菜，整啲菜，整啲好食嘢，所以如果我有我自己嘅家人嘅時候，我識得整，我可以俾佢食。We won't just eat pizza all day. Mamma mia! Deep fried dry tofu.
啲少少好啦，about 6咁就好啦。Depends on how much you want, you know. You see?
It's like a seaweed algae.
Right.
It's hot, Papa.
That's okay. I got used to it.
燒心。
即係曲係咁噶啦。
哎呀
！Look，等你 dry 一陣間煮嗰時咪擠落去咯，先。而家咪 nice and clean 啦。
Cooking has 好多 steps. Fancy. Yeah. 越南人食 right?
Lily flower。
Lily flower.
soak 嘅，扭乾水佢。
You soak for 2 hours?
冇，1 hour 得噶啦。Okay。一包細包就夠啦。如果要煮少少就俾half 就好。I like this this brand。
知道。
有咩啊？有個 permanent 喺上個 top 嗰個人，嗰啲就好食啲。OK。
Hey, Papa, what happens if I become a monk?
I don't care.
You don't care?
You're a monk.
I might be a monk. You want to be a monk with me?
No, I'm too old for it.
Tofu.
Yeah, I squeeze the oil. You see? 扭晒呢啲出嚟。
It's like a sponge. Oh, you're gonna knot it, right? Oh, that's a secret. Name. Joykin. Oh, yeah. Camera problem.
唔係師傅啊，但我唔中意咁樣呀，有啲人搣你昆住。
Size 得。
啲 short 嘅唔甩得就唔使甩呀。I show you。呢個有個頭嘅啫，呢啲硬嘅啫。See? Oops.
This one's no good.
No good，抌咗佢。
This one, see, is too brown.
Too brown 啦，唔好愛咯。咁啊呢度呢啲唔愛噶啦。
They sell the tofu knot too, right?
Yeah。
That's
豆
tofu.
腐啦，嗰啲咩啊，冇咁大力啊，大力佢就唔得噶。You have to be work on gentle。
You're right. Yeah.
尋晚落雨你知唔知啊？
我唔知，然後幾點鐘我瞓覺？2點。
哎呀，
因為我係 night person。因為我冇工嘅。OK， 做好晒。
做好晒啦 ，one done。
One done. Cooking is 辛苦。哎呀。
呢個菜襟劑啊！我買咗兩個禮拜啊！呢個 too long 得滯啊，cut 一佢。
Cut a little bit.
有個 TV 有個客家女教佢個 grandma 做煮啫，俾啲 Chinese 整邊啊咁樣，講國語少少地。有啲人俾我睇見今日有啊，就擠落嚟牛啦。
How come the lid now has holes in it?
How the nature make it.
It's pretty.
食嘢梗係要食得好，有啲曳，有啲好嘅，you know. You cannot eat the good thing all the time.
Yeah. 如果 someone didn't eat that before, and then I'm gonna give it to them, and then I'm gonna say I cut it like that, and then they're gonna be like, "Wow, you did a good job." Be like, "Yeah, I did such a good job for you."
Yes.
Yeah.
唔能夠食啲嘢好晒，你自己食晒，啲老翻就唔係啊，係咪？
Yeah, Lofan, I'm sick, so I'm gonna give this to Lofan, and Lofan restaurant charge like $50 for one plate. Mamma mia!
攞兩隻冬菇出嚟啦。
Oh, dongu too?
Everything.
Dongu too? You rehydrate it and then you froze it.
我烚過㗎啦，切啲零零㗎啦。
You know how to cut righty too, Papa, or no?
No, I don't come out good.
你好犀利，真係。
唔犀利。
你犀利。
呢個切2寸咁大，2 inch。And look, 1, 2, 3. See, go like this.
You don't have to peel the skin.
No. 睇咩就腐乳。
腐乳喺嗰度。腐乳喺嗰度。
sorry。
切。
攞隻磚夠啦，俾多得滯就鹹㗎啦。
腐乳 is fermented soybean.
Yeah, right.
And you put the mushroom in water to
defrost 佢，我頭先唔記得攞出嚟啊嘛，我烚過半點鐘啊，去滴酒落去，等佢香啲。
Rose wine, right?
Rose wine 啊，擺到
木鬼佬酒，你鬼佬酒。
唔係鬼佬酒呢啲，唔係收聲 wine。
That's a rose.
啲餸我俾啲水。
How do you say rose? 茉莉。
玫瑰。
玫瑰. So you add some rose wine and some water. You add water there?
No, this from the 腐乳嘅呢啲 juice from the 腐乳嘅，好味道。
點知？
個冬菇溶咗先啦。
Light on from heaven. Papa, you know where I'm from? Heaven. Cut the mushroom.
啲咁多撈啊，佢有啲咁多味道啦。
Boy, hi. Use a good pan today.
有啲人仲俾啲發菜，唔俾啦，發菜要撈發菜。
No.
Seaweed.
Oh, I like seaweed.
唔係呢啲 seaweed 啊，好貴㗎嗰啲發菜。
發菜, lucky choy, money choy?
Yeah, money choy.
Money choy? I like money and I like choy.
Yeah.
Sounds good. Yeah. That's what I want. I want a lot of money and I want a lot of vegetables. Mamma mia!
Money choy. 黑色嘅人。
Add the fuyi and the
做啲罩。
Chow,香菜. It's cold.
溫柔啦。
Yeah.
呢個
On a scale 1 to 10, how much you like light? 10 you like him a lot. 好中意。
我唔中意佢，
一你唔中意佢。
我唔中意佢，
No, you like at least like a 6.
冇辦法啦。佢喺度啊，你又唔係咩到？
如果佢唔喺度，你唔好用綁，你唔好用 point 嚟。
誒，踩到平，但我慣晒㗎啦，我自己慣咗自己撈料㗎啦。
你唔 lonely，貨齋係 upstairs 冇用。
倒啲落去。
哎呀 ，It smells good。
啊，有咗呢啲，俾啲油爆下佢，菜。
Like, wait a second, I go out with you. Let me just finish, okay? 我唔拍片，因為搞晒。
Like this, and
Yeah, put it here. Fancy.
yeah, everything dump it
Roll
in.
it in.
Thank you. Now it goes.
Yeah. 中文叫做乜嘢？齋。
齋。
齋係叫做 Buddhist
Delight.
Buddhist delight.
Vegetarian. 佢唔使俾幾多水㗎，佢呢度有水出嘅。
Because that 小菜出
小菜有
嚟。
水出，一陣間啊俾啲朋友。
Okay, you just added the fancy.
Yeah, 俾少少水。
Always use the same bowl. Rinse it off.
Rinse it off. 好。
Alright.
你幫手陣間啲粉絲食水㗎你。Half up.
Looks good, Popo.
唔知咯，我陣間就俾啲紅油落去，俾啲咁多糖啊 ，take up the flavour。
Okay, 好呀 later.
呢度煮熟先俾。
Yeah, 出好多水。
Yeah，see，佢有好多水出嘅。Put on medium flame 就好啦，唔好俾咁多。That's it.
How long you cook for?
About 10 minutes. 10 minutes 啦。
Okay, I got this Healing Herbal Soups book. I'm gonna check out what some of these ingredients were. This is really good. It goes over like your body type based on Chinese medicine, as well as hot and cold foods, you know, yit hei. I have a hard time explaining that, but look at this, good pictures. So let's see what Papa added today. And Light wants to go outside. Chido. Is this the same thing as this? This is what you added, but this is dry. The other one's fresh.
咩啊
This.
？What's the name？你個 name 啫？邊啲啊？No，that's 木耳啫，fungus 啫，呢啲唔係 fungus，都係落嚟噴嘅。
Shit, I don't know, it's dry.
都唔係啫，呢啲白果俾咗就得，一個冇俾啫嘛。Lily flower。
Lily flower?
Yeah.
Is this the lily flower?
How is it? What is it?
It says
What is it? 俾我睇下呀，我睇下。
something da da
等
da.
我睇下，佢講咩啊？等我睇下啫。Let me sit down here 睇佢點講啊？
So lily flower and then the algae thing.
邊度啊？邊度講啊？
This one. No.
毛巾，das 毛
毛
巾 is 呢碌嚟㗎，唔係毛巾。
More.
有佢有喺度。
This one.
This one is 果皮啊嘛係嘛
That's 果皮。
？43。
Hi, gopi. Oh,
係陳
tangerine
皮
too.
嘅陳皮。
They don't have the seaweed.
有
thing.
有
In this book, I don't know.
有 next time 有。誒飲埋呢啲，
Be careful with that hot water. Che.
打傻
哎呀
係咁多。
Okay, this is the
Okay.
Jai San in Phai Lok. Chinese New Year's around the corner.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for supporting myself and my papa. For those of you who are new to my channel, thank you. I got some great support recently from a Toy San group on Facebook. Thank you. Real quick, I used to not embrace Chinese culture or my papa. It wasn't until the pandemic I lost my restaurant job that I started spending more time with her and connecting with Chinese culture and papa. So that's why these videos are here. For those of you who have already been following, thank you so much. And to everyone, I wish you health, wealth, and happiness. Oh yeah, one more thing. Chinese cooking course with Papa dropping around Chinese New Year. Okay, so be ready for that. That is a little course that I'm doing with Papa to pay respect to her, to have like a little documentation of essential Chinese things in our opinion. Even though it changes every day and I'll write recipes. Mamma mia! Everyone have a great day and let me try this out. Tofu yi. Homemade. Anyway, it's good. It's good with rice, monk food, Please like, comment, and subscribe on the video. It helps spread a message to get positivity out there. Make positivity popular. It helps the algorithm so people see a video of a boy cooking with his grandmother. Anyway, have a great day. Peace.
Cellophane.
네, 원도?
No, 未揾到。
That's ginseng, right?
No, 冬蟲夏草。
That looks like a worm.
A worm. Eat this part. This part. You know where it is? You know where?
No.
In China, there's some places of the mountain. The men stay there for a whole week. And 冬天咧 the winter time 咧，佢就 grow up 拍，咁樣成一條條咁樣咁執嚟賣。It's very expensive. Now it's 冇乜啦，執晒啦。
So what's good for it? Make you live?
Hey, good for everything.
To eat the worm?
冬蟲夏草啦。
Winter worm?
Winter worm 好難攞嘅，而家冇啦。
I get the worm in the backyard. You want to eat it?
Yeah. 而家好貴嘅，you see.